Hey guys, welcome to Old Beater Cars Workshop. How's everyone doing? Well, here's another project I'm starting. It's a 70s Dodge Challenger, and it's an old kit, and I don't believe I've ever built this one yet. So I'm gonna build it as an old school drag racer, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have to find some pictures online to post in the video here of what this car looked like originally. So I don't think I'll be going with that kind of hood scoop on it. More of a traditional kind of drag racer, gasser. Anyways, drag racer, I guess you'd call it. Anyways, you guys know about this kit. It's been around a long time. So, yep. So, should be a good build. Anyways, stay tuned for that. Progress on that. This kit, you can build it either as a convertible or a hardtop. And I got a hardtop, so I'm gonna have to do some work on the. There's some flashing stuff that guys to remove and fix. And do that. But otherwise, it's not a bad kit. Good old AMT. AMT used to be good. So, alrighty. So that's pretty much it for that. So, yeah, I'll probably use this hood scoop on it. Okay. Alright guys. So, stay tuned for updates on this project. Alright.